Hello everyone, I'm Varun Paul from Team 3708 Optimus at St. Dominic Savio Catholic High School in Austin. This is a video series to help you get jump started on CAD. Now what is CAD? It's a computer aided design. People like mechanical engineers use it to design prototypes for certain products and for their company. So yeah. Now imagine you were given a Lego set and were expected to build it, making it look exactly like the image on the Lego set box without an instruction manual. Now obviously it would be very hard to replicate without the manual. Likewise, without a model, it's very hard to make a really good robot to compete with in the given time frame that FTC has given. So that's why modeling is very crucial, and it's also the coolest part of your FTC journey. So like, why not do it? So here at Salvio, we use OnShape as our primary modeling software, but here's some other modeling softwares that we FTC teams have used: Creo, Fusion, SolidWorks, including OnShape. So Fusion is one of the top modeling softwares that a lot of people have used. The tools are endless, y- and exportation and 3D printing and objects are easy, and it's easy to understand the tools. Now, for students, it's free to use for school and like FTC, but like using it for jobs and all that, it's there's like a fee. Also, there's like constant updates and patches, so it's like a bit annoying when you want to work, but you have like constant patches and updates that you have to keep downloading. So that's just a thing to keep in mind. SolidWorks is a not so common modeling software, but there are some teams out there that use it. There's features like animations and simulations that are really helpful that SolidWorks provides. But when given an error when you're modeling, it's very generic and it's hard to understand when giving a generic error so that you can like fix it. So it's just hard to like, fix that. And like when you're on the server, it's very laggy and occasionally crashes, is what a lot of people have said. Creo, even our mentor here at Savio has used Creo. The renders are really cool. Exporting a file is easy and it's on app, so it's easy for Windows people to access because it's a Windows-based app, but it's possible for Macs, but it's just hard. Uh, the controls are a bit weird because it's an advanced modeling software, so it's not like Fusion where it is an advanced modeling software, but it's not as easy to use because the commands are weird. But yeah, OnShape is a really good one that we use here. Um, it's on the web, so it does disregard Mac versus Window. Has a lot of tutorials to get you jump started, like this one. Um, Weird things of it, like you can't do as much stuff as you can on Fusion. Exporting it is a bit of a hassle when exporting things to print. If you're on low Wi-Fi or low data plan and it stops working sometimes and you lose progress, so that's a thing to keep in mind. So on to Onshape. We'll get you started on here. So go to onshape.com. We'll click on the sign in. We'll see as it loads here. Now you want to go to sign up because obviously we don't have an account at this point in time, unless you do. Um, there's the three categories. Onshape for Makers is really for like 3D printing stuff, not really for like CADing on, FTC. There's also the professional one for people in jobs, but we use the educational one because uh, there's a parts library which I'll eventually go over that you can access through here easily. So click on the education one, um, create an EDU account, go through this. Um, go through the steps for this, and you should see once you get there, you'll have like a tab to personalize your mouse settings and all that. Uh, choose your preference for modeling. So when you come to this page, obviously you won't have these many robots, but you'll come to a page somewhat like this after you finish your customizations for your units and your mouse settings. But yeah, this should be the end for the first video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.